kindergartners, welcome back to another day of math. This week in math, you've been learning all about writing addition equations. Yesterday, you learned how to use the plus sign and the equal sign. Now, I know that these shortcuts might seem simple, but it does take a little extra practice to get really good at it. So today, we're going to do a little bit more practice writing equations. Repeat after me. I can write addition equations. Let's try it all together. Ready? I can write addition equations. All right, let's check out our math story. Can you tell a math story about the picture of the animals? You could say there are 3 rabbits and 3 squirrels came to join them. How many animals are there in all? To figure out how many animals in all, you need to count all of the animals. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 animals in all. Now it's time for us to write an equation to represent the story. We'll start by showing the groups that are being joined together. We can do this by writing 3 plus 3. The plus sign shows that the groups are being joined. Now we need to show how many animals in all. We can do that by writing equals 6. This means that 3 plus 3 is the same as 6. Another word for the total number of animals is sum. Can you say that word? Sum. Great job. Now, see if you can help me solve the next problem. There are 2 red counters and 2 yellow counters. How many counters are there in all? What do you need to do to solve this problem? You're right, you need to count all of them. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that you know the answer to the problem, it's time for you to write an equation. Pause the video, write your equation, and press play when you're ready to check and see if you got it right. If your equation's ready, let's check it. You should have written 2 plus 2 equals 4. What does the first 2 represent? You're right, it represents the red counters. What about the second 2? The second 2 represents the yellow counters. Why do we put a plus sign in between the numbers? You're right, that shows that we're joining the counters together. What does the number 4 represent? You got it, the number 4 represents the sum of the counters. That means the total number. Now that you've had some practice writing addition equations, it's your turn to show me you can do it all by yourself. Remember, when you're done writing your equations, don't forget to practice reading them too. Until next time, bye everybody!